products before we head over to work. She's over there ordering her coffee. I don't know if you can see her, but we are here to meet and start planning for 2020. So exciting. And yeah, we'll just take you along our meeting.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, naked angels in the sand.
All right, good morning guys. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Here you are again. Nice to see you. Micole is working on a special project that we cannot yet talk about. And I'm working on, I guess I can show you guys because we're gonna go through them and I already bought. You guys will see them. Yeah, you guys will see these ones. But oh my god. Pause. So we just ordered some new poly mailers. And the reason for this is, one, we're running out of boxes for our shipments, and two, we needed to get larger poly mailers for our new project that we're doing. Micole right now is talking to a different vendor from a different country, so I don't know what's up, but like we can never just like catch each other when we're both like up and on the computer. There's been a lot of lag time, which has slowed down the process of ordering the samples for this project. So I'm super excited that he's awake right now. It's like our lucky day. I reached out on Friday. It's now Thursday, so it's almost been a week. Are you serious? Yeah. Dang, that's crazy. I didn't know it was like that long. Yeah. So I don't have a vlog camera and I've been using my phone to vlog my days. So I'm just gonna upload my videos from yesterday so Raina can edit them. Literally all Hail Mary. So those are gonna upload. And then, ooh, let me show you guys. I worked on some stories to post throughout the week. Just of what we have left in the inventory. Just some cool animated stories. Isn't that so cute, guys? So here's the picture, and then just did some graphics on top. Another thing I like to do in the mornings is track the orders. So after I drop them off at the post office, I like to make sure that they went through and that they're tracking fine. So right here it says that the customer will get it tomorrow, which is so fast. I literally dropped it off yesterday. I like to make sure that they're tracking. We've never had any issues, but if we were to, I want to make sure like I catch that, and it'll be easier to basically track things down, you know, the earlier you catch them.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, naked angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter.
Bye bye. Morning. We're currently outside of the gym trying to finish up our Instagram caption for today. That's where we're from. Our post is out and it's so cute. Ah! I know, I really don't want to go in right now, but I know I need to go in because I haven't gone in. All right, come on. All right. I was gonna say, we're gonna take you guys through our workout today. I just need to change my shoes. So to start off our workout, we always like to warm up on the treadmill. Just a little incline walk. We don't have that much time, so we're just gonna try to go a little bit faster than usual. Get that incline up, ladies. It's very important to warm up. And the incline helps get your heart rate up. And you want to keep your heart rate up, especially when you don't have that much time at the gym, because you'll burn more fat. So we just finished doing our incline walk. We are now on the mat, and we are going to do some, I don't know what they're called. They're just like standalone like kicks, and they're really good for glute activation. We like to do these a lot, and we learned this from the fitness sisters
The Bodies by Rachel. So we're gonna try something new today.
So usually we do hit style workouts, which is 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Today we're just, again, we're short on time. We're gonna try Tabata, which is basically just shorter rest. We'll do 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. I have this interval timer. It's great, literally called interval timer. And you can see on there, I've made different timers for us to use. So you can see legs, hit, and Tabata.
Basically, we do kickbacks, and then we do like full extension up, all the way up with your leg, and then we'll do fire hydrants too. And then we'll pulse those. So we'll do 30 seconds on, and then will our 10 seconds be pulsing? Can we do 3, 10, 10?
Yeah.
So we'll do 30 seconds just regular, 10 seconds pulsing, and then 10 seconds off. And this is just like a quick way to kind of get your body moving. You're not using any like materials. You're literally on the floor, and this is just like your body holding its own weight.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Let me just say, my legs are on literal fire because we've just been supersetting this whole time. What we're gonna do now is kickbacks on the cable. So literally you're just going to kick back, and again you're gonna isolate your core. Just make sure that you're keeping everything nice and tight, and then you're squeezing at the top. So this one, Micole's explaining that we're gonna, right, core engaged, go all the way down.
So we'll do 10 squats and then 10 on each leg.
Sounds like a plan, Stan.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me.
To upper body, we single arm lat raises. Pull, we'll do 6 each side. And then we're gonna target the good old triceps. Kind of awkward to get into. Keep your elbows close to your head. Go straight up.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me.
Wow, this is a good one. It's like,
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit.